Supporting upper primary spelling can feel like a minefield. Students' reading might look okay. They may even pass the weekly spelling test, but when they write, their spelling is full of mistakes that leave you shaking your head. If this is you, take heart and know that you are not alone. Once students have the foundations of phonics in hand, the next part of the picture for spelling and writing is morphology. If your student's spelling needs work, it can be tempting to dive right in to less common prefixes, suffixes, Latin bases, and Greek combining forms. But there is great value in ensuring that your students have strong foundations of morphology and suffixing conventions before you get started. Spelling Success in Action 1 helps you make sure that your students have strong foundations so that they can dive into spelling and meaning in a deeper way. The first book in our 3-part series will get you started in engaging students in understanding the most common prefixes and suffixes and the suffixing conventions that form the foundations of strong spelling in general. If you are ready to help your students get on the road to accurate spelling, order your copy of Reading Success in Action, Getting Started with Morphology and Spelling Conventions from JocelynSeymourEducation.com.